Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $10 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Wesley Snipes. Wesley Snipes. Lee Snipes. Wesley Snipes. Wesley Snipes is known for his dynamic roles in action and drama films. Some of his top movies include Blade, White Men Can't Jump, and Demolition Man. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Wesley Snipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.